Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is your friend Harshad, and I'm really sorry I did not post any video for a long time. I was really caught up with a lot of stuff. I am going to present a very unique video today. This is going to be the part 1 of the rebuild Little Red Express truck series. I got this for my it's in rough shape, the Dodge Little Express truck. I'm going to try to rebuild it, so I'll just explain to you the thought process behind this. So as you can see, it's not in mint condition. It's a little bit rough on the edges, so it's missing a side mirror, then it's missing a wiper blade here, then it's missing the wooden stake side stake over here. So it's missing a lot of pieces, but it's good for me because I'm going to use it probably in my garage, barn diorama setup, and I was looking for something little rustic anyways. So in the part 1 of the series, I'm going to build a side stake with popsicles. So I have already built it, but it's not fully ready yet. So before I give it final touches, I wanted to show it to you how it really looks like and how I have built this. So I have used 3 popsicle sticks and small sticks, and then I tied them up with some metal wires over here, and then I put some glue in the corner so that it stays in a solid position. And the way it will work is it will just go into this grooves like this. Right now it's not perfectly built, but that's the idea. It will go there like this. Maybe it's not the right one. This is the one. So it sticks over there like that, and then other piece would go over here like this, right? So there you go. This is how it looks, but this is not actually the final presentation. It's a bit I posted this idea on the Diecast collector community, and I got a very nice suggestion that this is a bit too tall and it needs to be only 2 board tall. So I actually like that suggestion. So what I've decided is I'm going to cut it down to 2 boards only, and in the process I will have actually 2 sets of boards. One set of board with a single board and one set with 2 boards, and I will show it to you how it looks after I cut it down and it's ready to be presented for you all to enjoy. So I'm going to pause the video now. I'll cut that board down to 2 and 1 and reassemble it and show it to you, and you guys let me know how you liked it or not. See you soon. Hey guys, I'm back, and now I have converted the 3 plank sideboards into 2 plank ones, and you can actually see I have installed them already. They are not permanently fixed because I want the freedom to change them as per my desires. That's how they look. I mean, they are little rustic on the inside. I'll fix them somehow, but the intention is to showcase something which is like somebody created a DIY sideboard out of some planks lying around in a farmhouse or a barn. That's the theme I'm going for. So I don't want it to look very perfect either. So let me know what you guys think about the 2 plank sideboards, or stake sides as some people call it. And I have, so if you remember, just a few minutes back I showed a 3 plank version. So I converted it into 2 plank, and I'm left with 2 versions. So one I can just remove. This is how it originally looked, and now I have two sets. So this is how it looks with this single version. I'll just put it lightly here. There you go. So this is how the single blank version looks like. So I'll just remove the back one. Let me know. So this is a rustic little red express truck. It's not perfect, as you can see. It's missing a lot of pieces. So in this part one, I ended up creating this side stick or side boards from scratch. So the next target would be to fix this side mirror somehow, and also having, you know, the missing wiper blade. So I'll have to fix that as well. So I have to think about some ideas how I can fix them. If you guys have any ideas, do share them in the comment section. So this was pretty much it about in this video. I hope you liked it, and if you have similar kind of trucks lying around and you have some popsicle sticks also lying around and you want to fix it, make it a little bit, put your own signature, this could be one of the ideas you could do. Thank you very much for watching the video, and please support my channel by subscribing to it and pressing the bell icon. It really helps me get a lot of encouragement. Thanks a lot. This is your friend Rishad again, signing off from Underground Diecast. Thank you.